It's been a long journey leading up to today, as you all know, which has resulted in Lyndsay and Jim planning their wedding not once, not twice, but 5 times.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free.
Now, for those of you who really know my sister and I, or know any sisters close in age, you know we have a tendency to fight like crazy. I said I always wanted to get away from her, but I always ended up closer to her. Truth is, I realized she has and always will be my best friend and my role model. Lyndsay, I look up to you in everything that you do and everything that you are. Sure, we steal each other's clothes, eat each other's food, and steal a glass of wine or seltzer, but that is what true friendship and sisterhood is.
Why are you crying? No, chicken wings, hot dogs. So pretty. Don't make me cry.
Oh my God, you look beautiful.
Hi.
You look so beautiful.
I just want to thank everyone for coming out. My little brother's wedding in Lynds, and finally married. Yeah, that's about it. And good luck. And I can't wait to see what's in store. Everyone, cheers. Oh, and I'm your bro now.
The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time, or take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two.
Welcome, friends. We're here today to celebrate Lyndsay and Jim's long-awaited wedding day. Thank you all. Today is a celebration of love, a celebration of commitment, friendship, family, and of 2 people who have chosen one another.
I, Lyndsay, vow to keep you, Jim.
I, Jim, vow to keep you, Lyndsay, as my partner.
To laugh with you.
To
support you through life's tough moments.
To support you through life's tough moments.
To be faithful to you.
To grow old with you.
And to find new reasons to love you every day.
Take this slow, we've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always